Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: bootloader unlocked, a DB and fastboot functional, and a current backup ready. Download the Orangefox Recovery ZIP that matches your device codename, plus any vendor packages, and verify the SHA-256 to avoid corrupted installs. Once done, backup your ROM and slash data with TWRP or a DB pull. This preserves your current state if something fails. Make sure to note whether your data is encrypted, since that affects flashing and first boot behavior. You will now flash the recovery image via fastboot. Reboot to fastboot, then run fastboot flash recovery. IMG, this writes the Orangefox binary to the recovery partition. After flashing, boot directly into recovery to prevent stock ROM from overriding it. Once in Orangefox, sideload the installer ZIP with a DB sideload or use install from storage, then flash vendor patches if required. Make sure to wipe cache and dalvik/art cache to avoid boot conflicts, but avoid wiping user data unless you intend a clean wipe. You finish by rebooting the system and granting any requested recovery permissions. Orangefox may ask for storage or root access to restore backups. If the device boots normally, verify magisk/root and restore apps. If you hit a boot loop, immediately re-enter recovery, restore the backup you made, or reflash the stock boot image to recover. Check recovery logs to identify the cause. A frequent solution is flashing the exact Orangefox build that matches your firmware. Mismatched builds cause incompatibilities, so confirm code name and build date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.